Good morning guys, and in front of me is Redmi A1 and let me show you how to update apps on this phone. At first we need to reach Play Store, then click on your account and go to Manage Apps and Device. And here just tap on Updates Available, where you'll be able to notice all apps that can be updated. And now you've got two options. You can either update one or some particular applications, so just tap on Update on apps that you wish to apply. However, you can also update all apps at once by tapping on Update All, and actually I would recommend this option because it will be done automatically in the background, and meanwhile you can use your device in a normal way. Then, just to observe the progress, you can come back to Play Store. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.